The particle 的 can be used in many ways, but if you are beginning to learn Mandarin Chinese, the first usage you'll learn will be when it's functioning as a possessive particle. In this video, we'll explore when 的 is used as a possessive particle. I'll initially use 的 in context only, but explanations will follow later. 书，我的书，这是我的书。学校，我们的学校，这是我们的学校。狗，他的狗，这是他的狗。他的狗很可爱。生日，我的生日。今天是我的生日。我的生日是7月17号。手机，我爸爸的手机。这是我爸爸的手机。我爸爸的手机很好。As you may have noticed from the examples, the is very similar to the apostrophe s in English. The indicates possession as the apostrophe s does in English. Simply insert the between two nouns. What goes before the modifies what comes after the. This reflects a very important rule in Mandarin Chinese. What goes before modifies what comes after. For example, in 我的书, the indicates that the 书 belongs to 我. 我 followed by the comes before 书 to modify it. In a complete sentence, it looks like 这是我的书。我们的学校 our school. Again, 我们 followed by the comes before 学校 to modify it. In a complete sentence, it looks like 这是我们的学校。In the same way, 狗 dog. 他的狗 his dog. 这是他的狗 this is his dog. 他的狗很可爱 his dog is cute. Note that 很 doesn't quite have the meaning of very when it connects a noun to an adjective as in this sentence. 很 just functions as a linking word. For more about 很, check out the link here on top or in the description below. Let's look at another example. 生日 birthday. 我的生日 my birthday. 今天是我的生日 Today is my birthday. 我的生日是7月17号 My birthday is July 17th. 手机 cell phone. 我爸爸的手机 My dad's cell phone. Notice that 我爸爸 is used instead of 我的爸爸。Keep in mind, the particle 的 is often omitted when talking about casual and close relationships such as people you are close to or places you live or work at. The reason is that a personal pronoun does not need the to indicate possession in these situations. So you'll hear 我爸爸 more often rather than 我的爸爸。Some more examples could be 我妈妈、我哥哥、他爸爸、他弟弟、我朋友、我家、我们学校、他们学校 and so on. However, as you can see in this example, 我爸爸的手机 the second 的 is not omitted. If you put this phrase 我爸爸的手机 into a complete sentence, you can say 这是我爸爸的手机 This is my dad's cell phone. Or 我爸爸的手机很好 My dad's cell phone is good. Alright, now let's do some practice. Rearrange the following words to say, this is my lunch. You can pause the video and think about it first. 这是我的午饭。Rearrange the following words to say, today's homework is simple. 今天的作业很简单。Rearrange the following words to say, "That's my book." 那是我的书。Now answer the following questions based on your own situation. Try as many as you can, but there's no need to answer all of them. 你家有几口人？你爸爸喜欢做饭吗？你和你家人喜欢做什么？你的汉语作业多吗？你的汉语老师好吗？ Alright, this is a summary. You can take a screenshot and crop it up for your future reference. Remember, your time and effort will always be rewarded if you consistently invest a little each day. I hope my videos inspire and support you on your journey to becoming more proficient in Mandarin Chinese. Thanks for watching.